We'll guide you through how to create light flicker effect in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by going to your search bar, then type After Effects to find the program on your device. Once you see it, open After Effects and let it load. When the workspace is ready, create a new composition by right-clicking the project bar on the left. Choose New Composition, then adjust the settings based on what you need, such as size and frame rate. After setting it up, right-click the project bar again and select Import, then choose File. Pick the footage you want to use and bring it into the project. When it appears in the panel, drag the footage into the timeline so it becomes the main layer in your composition. Now press Q 3 times on your keyboard to switch the Shape tool into a circle. Hold Shift and left-click on the screen to draw a perfect circle. Adjust the circle so its size matches the light bulb in your footage, then change the color of the circle to orange. After setting that up, press CTRL D to duplicate the layer. Turn off the view of the duplicated layer for a moment so you can focus on the first one. Set the blending mode of the first layer to overlay. After that, turn the second layer back on and change its blending mode to soft light. Once both layers are set, select the two of them together, then go to the layer option at the top of the screen. Choose Pre-Compose, then turn on Move All Attributes into the new composition and click OK, so both layers are combined into one comp. Next, press Toggle Switches / Modes at the bottom of the timeline so you can see more settings. Turn on the blending option in the middle row. To continue, open the opacity settings by pressing T on your keyboard. Hold Alt and click the stopwatch icon next to opacity to open the expression box. Type this expression exactly as directed. Wiggle, open bracket, 10, 90, close bracket. This will make the layer flicker on and off with a natural motion. The first number inside the brackets controls how fast the flicker happens, and the second number controls how much the opacity changes. Adjust these two values if you want the flicker to behave differently. When you finish, your light bulb will have a soft flickering glow effect that reacts over time. This method works well for scenes that need simple lighting effects without using extra plugins.